The supply chain relies on pallets to move goods. We have millions of pallets that we send to our customers so that they can send their products to their customers. Once used, the receiver of the goods notifies us to pick them up. The quicker we receive pallets back to inspect and repair, the quicker we can reissue pallets back into the supply chain for everyone to use. And so, the circle is created. By doing this, we can reuse the same pallets many times, avoiding the need to cut down additional trees while still offering a competitive, sustainable service and reducing costs. This is the essence of the circular economy. But what happens when the pallets do not return to CHEP? The circular system slows down. There are less pallets moving in the supply chain, increasing inefficiencies and waste. Together we can avoid waste and reduce the environmental and financial impact lost and non-return pallets have on the efficiency of the share and reuse network. Let's talk about how we can work together to keep the supply chain moving faster.